What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Dell's Corner. Unfortunately, I am still sick. It turns out I went to the doctor and I have the flu. So that's where I'm at. But I'm actually here for another unboxing like I usually do. Whenever I get the chance to, actually. And this time it's going to be on another gift that I actually received. It's going to be Plantronics Backbeat Pro 5100's truly wireless headset. So, I'm a big fan of headphones, especially wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones, stuff like that. But I've never had truly wireless headphones. So I'm really excited to see what these have to offer. I don't really understand why people buy these so much. But I guess I can kind of think of like multiple reasons why. I guess you can have one in one ear and then the other one's charging you. You don't have to use it right away, compared to you having like the ones with the cords, the wireless cords, whatever, where you have one and then the other one's dangling. You get what I'm saying. Anyways, they look pretty slick. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Let me look on the back of this. We're looking at Bluetooth 5.0 for stable connectivity. 5.8 millimeter speaker. Weight is 11 grams. Fast charge. 10 minutes equals 1 hour. Let's see what else we got. We got up to 6.5 hours of listening time, which is going to be real time. And then up to additional 13 hours. Oh, cool. So it's about an additional 13 hours of charge time as well that you're going to be able to get out of it. So if one starts to die or they both start to die, that case should be able to charge it for an extra 13 hours. And again, just keep in mind, 10 minutes equals 1 hour of listening time. So that's pretty cool. It also comes with small, medium, and large ear tips and micro USB. And of course, instructions. Good to go. So, right off the bat, these kind of look like those, the case kind of looks like that new, Apple Pro. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm seeing. It is early in the morning over here. And of course, that's where you're going to end up putting, I could feel it, you can end up putting your micro USB cable. These must be the ear tips. Ear tips are small and large. I guess the medium are stock. It's not really working out for me today, is it? Boom. Where's my cable? This is the unboxing experience right here. Oh, comes off. Oh, and then your micro USB. So I want to know if these already have a charge in them. I'm not too interested in the instructions or anything like that. So, most headphones are pretty self-explanatory. So, ooh, I like that. A little light came on, so I assume that there's a charge. Check this out. That's pretty cool. So they just come out. Ooh, they're kind of magnetic. I don't know if that's normal. Again, I've never owned any type of truly wireless headsets. Check those out. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my headset right now. That way I can try to see what I need to do. Hold up. Do. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can end up finding the. It did tell me that it was on, and it is searching. Let me go ahead and find it in here on my Bluetooth PLT. Look, they pop up right away. I did hold the button on the left-hand side to connect, so I assume that they're both going to connect that way, because they're both working on the same side. Connect. Okay, they're on. They're pretty comfortable. I can't really hear, like I have a fan on. Like, you know that white noise? That white noise that you get whenever you have the fan on? That's what I usually hear, but I can't hear nothing in here. And I have my cats, they're kind of meowing in the background, but I can't hear them really. It says that it helps with noise canceling, I believe. Total harmonic distortion. No, that's not it. Either way. So let's go ahead and get on a song. We are going to play. Ooh. They don't sound bad. I mean, I've had worse. I wouldn't say like... Alright, so that's what I decided to test out for a couple seconds real quick. It was going to be Black Rock's film called What You Do To Me. It is a fantastic song if you haven't heard it, if you like rap. Jim Jones is in it. We got Billy Danz. Good stuff. This was a pretty simple unboxing, I'm not going to lie. Pretty simple unboxing, pretty simple setup. The bass isn't too heavy. I guess if you really wanted to, you can actually go in there and maybe see if you can turn up the bass if you like that type of stuff. Pretty loud. Because the way that they fit in your ears, it's pretty cushioned and it pretty much blocks out everything that's around you. You can hear other things around from what I can tell. I have had in the past a pair of truly wireless, the noise canceling headsets, and yeah, it's not 100% completely noise canceling, but it's something. Especially if you're trying to focus and you're trying to work out or do whatever you need to do. But yeah, these aren't that bad. I really like them. Thank you for the individual who ended up getting them for me. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed my unboxing, again, it was going to be a quick unboxing. If you enjoyed my unboxing, please leave a like down below, comment down below if you have any questions about this type of device, or if you want to see something else, any type of other things that you want me to unbox. I'll unbox anything, to be honest with you. I just bought my daughter a new baby monitor. I'm thinking about unboxing that, so we'll go from there. I don't know. Don't forget to, again, like, subscribe down below. That way you can stay in tune. Sorry, cleaning up my keyboard. That way you can stay tuned on whenever I drop another video. But until then, love each and every one of y'all. And do not forget to check the official review on these once I start to get to mess with these a little bit more at dropthespotlight.com. All links will be down below. And I will catch you on the next one. Y'all take care.